Alright guys, I'm gonna do another video here to show you how to override the GPS on the Promark. People keep texting me that they're having problems, and you can fly this thing in the ADI mode, the altitude hold mode. You don't need to use the GPS. Okay, if you can't get the GPS to work right, you can just override the GPS. Okay, which is what we're going to do today. So to do that, you just turn on the quadcopter. You'll see the lights flashing red there, and it's waiting for me to turn on the transmitter. Then you turn on the transmitter. The little camera will dance around a little bit. Then you bind it up. Then the lights will change from red to the blue and white. Then you want to do the level calibration, which is up and out. And you'll see the lights flash again. The white ones in the front will flash, and the blue ones will flash, and the camera will reset itself again. And then you can just hold the headless mode button in right there for 3 seconds. And that'll override the GPS module. That way you won't have to use the GPS. You won't have to, it'll still fly for you without the GPS lock. It flies fine without the GPS module. It's just some of the stuff won't work. You know, like the I don't think that the follow me works. Okay, there it is right there. Everything will still work. It says ready to fly. Like I said, everything will still work without the GPS lock, except for like the telemetry and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure that won't work. Okay, so we're going to override it right now. Okay, and it switched right there. It's at altitude mode. Okay, so now it's ready to go. So all you got to do is hit the takeoff button. Now I'm recording a little bit of video. I got a video card in there. And when you do the video on this thing, when you record the video, always use the app to start recording the video, okay? Because if you don't, if you hit the button on the controller, then it does that beeping, which you don't want, okay? Yeah, it flies fine without the GPS. Now it's not as stable, don't get me wrong. It wanders around a little bit and stuff like that, and it doesn't have any trim buttons, so it's not like you can adjust the trim. The only way you're going to get it to sit perfectly still is to do the GPS mode, okay? But, you know, it seems to be okay, just in this mode. I didn't have any trouble flying this in the, I did a video a few months ago on it, just in this mode, and I didn't have any trouble with it. but I was at the park. I can't go to the park today. It's rained here 9 days in a row, so it's very muddy. The parks are just a muddy mess. Okay, let's put it that way. But you know, it flies fine in this altitude hold mode, ADI mode. So if you're having trouble and you can't get the GPS to work, or it won't let you take off, just do the override and just fly it like this. You know, it doesn't affect the range at all. You know, you can still take it out there, you know, the 600 feet or whatever, you know, that doesn't affect the range whatsoever. So see if we can turn up the rate a little bit. And another thing on here too, because somebody was asking me about it, the camera. When you go to tilt the camera, this thing is extremely slow. It's not like it's a fast thing like one of the DJI cameras. It's very slow. You see how it's drifting around? Nothing you can do about that in this mode. Like I said, because there's no trims. But, you know, just fly it in this mode if you can't get the GPS working. That's all. No big deal. That's it, boys. There you go. A little ADI mode flight so you can know how to do the GPS override. That's probably more questions I get on this than anything. That's why I wanted to make another video. I already have a video up how to do it, but I guess some people don't want to look back through the videos to find it. So they want me to make another video, which I just did. Okay, so there you go. Okay, good luck with it. Just fly it in the ADI mode if you can't get the GPS to work. Because I don't know how to fix the GPS if your GPS don't work. I don't know how to fix it. Okay? You could probably take it apart, find the GPS module. Maybe it's got a bad solder point on it, or, you know, maybe it's just defective. So just don't use it. You can fly it without it, and it doesn't affect the range, like I said. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.